How to get rid of Watch It Again on Netflix. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get rid of Watch It Again on Netflix. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can remove the Watch It Again on Netflix. So in order to remove the Watch It Again on Netflix, first of all, you may just download the application onto your device, which is easily available on any of the app store, or you may just go to netflix.com on your browser and sign in into your account. After signing in into your account, in order to remove the titles from continue watching row on Netflix, you can follow some of the steps. First of all is just go to the details piece of the title you want to remove. When you go to your home page, you'll be able to see continue watching. You can continue watching from that. Just click on one of the video and select to remove from continue watching from the menu. Or you can also hide the titles from your viewing history by just going to your account page on a web browser and then selecting a profile from the profile and parental controls section. Or you may just open a view activity for that profile and click the hide icon next to the title that you want to hide and selecting hide all at the bottom of your page and confirming to hide all of your viewing history viewing history, which will remove all of the continue from watching section, and you no longer will be having that option from where you can continue watching. And the next thing is you can also remove the titles from the up next bar on the main screen. You just click on the three dots next to the title that you want to remove. After that, select remove from next or remove from the recently watched, and just like that, that particular video should be removed from your Netflix continue from watching. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be easily able to remove your continue watching row on Netflix. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.